Oh boy. Yeah, we'll take care of this in post. Where's the lever so I can put my seat back? Ah! Oh, sorry. I panic easily.
Yes, that's all right. It immediately sinks.
Oops.
Yeah, we get there in time. You see the little kid trying to hide now.
Hey, there's a plus.
There's a little close.
Bonk.
Could you not hit the walls?
Hey, I'm in charge of propulsion. I'm pedaling like crazy up here, all right? All right, stand up and see if they're watching.
Okay. Slam on the brakes like topple over you.
Wow, Chris. How deep's the water? Ah, the sound of screams. There we go again. Uh-oh. Picking up a little bit. We're picking up a little bit.
Looking forward.
Yeah, and I'm about to. Oh! Hold it. All right, we're back on after the little wetness. Darker than I remember it being. I'm in the front, I'm holding it down. Oh! Yeah, me too. Gone. Cotton, it dries fast. Rubber, it dries fast.
Everybody's laughing place, laughing place. Take a breath.
Look, if you don't let me out of here, I'm gonna bust you wide open.
Hey dude, can't do the time, don't do the track. Oh yeah.
More water on it. I want to go on the blow dryer ride.
Hey, where'd that water in the lens come from?
To keep from rabbits. Fishery.
Things are happening. Pretty much. Be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. Gun. Chris. And that's what the rest of you looks like. Yeah. We'll take care of that in post. And Chris drops it. Yes. Oh wait, we're at Disneyland. Turn, turn. Hey, you're still here. We have a minute or so to go until we're done with this one, so thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I have hundreds of great videos on this channel, and I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back. Oh, so we don't get to stop? Oh, for the love of Mike. I'm always in the way.